Hello and welcome everyone. I am Himani. In this video, I will be presenting my semester project, that is Online Maintenance System for Thapar Institute. Currently, the prevailing manual system of handling complaints is very cumbersome for both the one who complains and the one who manages it. So here comes the need of our application that exempts you from all this manual work. After the complaint is posted by the user, the admin can easily update its status, which can be easily seen by the concerned user. Our application is built on MVC pattern. Here MVC stands for Model View Controller. View deals with the user interface, model interacts with the database, whereas controller controls the interaction between the model and the view. Basically, two roles will be played by our user, that is, the admin and the user. User can register, log in, post a complaint, and check status. He will also get an email notification regarding registration and status update. Admin can log in and see all the complaints. Whenever the admin will update the complaint status, an email notification will be sent to the concerned user. He can also add or edit the list of departments. Techniques and tools. CRUD-based technique is used, that is, we can create, read, update, and delete records in the database. MVC is also used. For backend, CodeIgniter, PHP, and MySQL are used. And for the front-end, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap are used. Some of the screenshots. This is our home page. This is the user panel. This is the admin panel. Professional and technical learning. Learn to design and implement MVC-based system. Do field survey to collect specifications and requirements. Work as part of a team. Communicate my progress. Let's see a demo. This is the URL for our application. This is the home page. For any new user to use this application, he has to register here. You have to write your full name, your designation, department, for example, computer science, email ID. You can only use your official thapar.edu email ID. You have to write the password, confirm the password, fill in the mobile number, and then click on register. It won't allow me to register here again as I have already made an account here. But before you log in, you have to verify your account by going to your inbox and clicking this link. By clicking on this link, you will activate your account. Let's log in here. This is my email ID and the password. Login. I have already posted a few complaints, in total 3, in progress 2, and resolved 1. This is my dashboard, the user dashboard. I can post a complaint by selecting a location. For example, block B, room number 205. This is just an example. Furniture maintenance, broken table, post the complaint. My complaint has been posted. I can see the complaint status. My one complaint that is resolved at this date and time. I can see the details. These complaints are still in progress. This is the complaint that I just posted. I can see the details. This is the form that is currently used to fill manually. You have to fill this form in order to post a complaint. And then further, this rest of the form is filled in the office. You don't have to fill in your mobile number, your name, designation, department again and again. You have to just give the details about the complaint. You can see that the registration number for your complaint is 1. It is assigned to Mr. ABC, and the other remarks and the material used. You can also see that. Now we will go to the admin panel. There are 5 complaints in total. 3 are in progress and 2 are resolved. This was the admin dashboard. I can see the active complaints. These are the active complaints that are not resolved yet. I can mark them resolved if they are resolved. For example, this complaint I want to mark it as resolved. And I can filter the complaints date-wise. I can select the date. Then location. I can select a location, for example, block E. I have 1 complaint from block E. The status, whether it is attended or unattended. Attended. I have attended the complaints, but they are resolved. That is why they are in complaint history. And I can see the complaints that are unattended. These complaints are unattended. Now the department. For furniture maintenance, 1 complaint from furniture maintenance. I can update this form. For example, its registration number is 101. The in charge is Mr. D. A. B. D. And I can fill other things like done. I can say save details. The changes have been saved. So this was the form. Now the locations. You can edit, delete or add a location name. For example, I am deleting this block A. I can add block A. The location is saved. I can see it. Block A. Similarly, I can manage the department list. I can edit, delete or add a new department here. Manage staff. This is for future scope in case we want to add a feature of online delegation system through which the jobs can be automatically delegated to the staff, to the concerned staff, maybe department wise or any other system. So this is for future scope. It is on hold for now. This was all for admin panel. Thank you everyone. For any kind of feedback, you can contact us anytime. This is my email ID. Thank you again, Team OMS.